Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by connecting the scanner to your computer and choosing keyboard HID mode when possible. This makes input behave like typing. Once done, open Google Sheets and prepare a column header row for item code, quantity, and timestamp so data lands correctly. Make sure drivers are installed only if your device requires serial support. Otherwise, HID removes that complexity. You'll save time by testing one quick scan into a blank cell to verify input and cursor behavior before proceeding. Now you map scans into workflow. Place the active cell at the first data column and decide whether the scanner should send Enter or Tab after each scan. Enter typically moves down, Tab moves right. Make sure to protect headers and use data validation to enforce formats like numeric SKUs. If you want automation, write a short app script that appends a new row on edit or formats timestamps. This avoids manual copying. Once configured, run a few sample scans to confirm fields populate in order. To finish, automate repetitive parts. Add a timestamp formula or have app script stamp time when a cell changes, and create a macro for batching cleanup tasks so you don't repeat formatting work. Once done, test a complete workflow from scan to final sheet and adjust sheet protections as needed. If something goes wrong, first check the scanner's suffix/prefix and HID versus serial mode. Incorrect suffixes often place characters or shift focus. If issues persist, reboot device and retest settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.